Can we talk about how the world has brought back rollerball lip gloss? Whew, we are looking tired. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you for everyone who entered into the giveaway in my last video. Your love and support means everything to me. I wish that I could give something to each and every one of you because I appreciate all of you so much. Today we are going to use a new powder foundation from Makeup Forever, which has gotten a lot of buzz recently. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Blurring Powder Foundation. I picked mine up in the shade Y31. I tested it out yesterday and it was so beautiful on the skin. The fact that a powder foundation blurred out my skin, didn't emphasize my texture, still made my face look natural is really important to me. So I wanted to show you my powder foundation routine using the Makeup Forever Matte Blur foundation powder. This is a quick and easy makeup tutorial. I can easily do this kind of routine within 5 minutes. The first thing I recommend is using a primer that's really going to have a sticky grip to the face so that the powder lays beautifully on top, it adheres to the skin, and it lasts all day. We're not trying to do this so that it only lasts for 5 minutes. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm gonna go in with this first, and I'm just gonna take 1 pump of that, and we're just gonna spread it all over the face. I'm gonna focus it mainly on the T-zone. I usually put it in the T-zone and then blend outward. Definitely feel this getting tacky. It's literally like glue. Like, look at this. Key to this primer is that you're gonna wanna let it sit for a few seconds. I want my skin to be super glowy, so I'm gonna go into the Hollywood Flawless filter from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm just gonna apply this on the high points of the face, just to give a little bit of a glow factor, since this is considered a matte foundation. I'm gonna jump into the powder. This is what it looks like. It comes with a mirror. There's a sponge that comes inside of here. This white side is for sheer to natural coverage. This black side is for full coverage. I'm actually gonna go in with the white side of the sponge. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, and then we're just going to apply it in downward motions. Do you see how much that covers up? It is insane. You always wanna swipe and then go down. Swipe and then down. Getting to the nose area here. Swipe and then down. This powder is freaking crazy. Like, girl, powder? No powder. Now I'm just gonna take the corner, dip it into the powder, and we're gonna tap this underneath the under eye, so we have coverage under there. You don't even need concealer. How insane is that? Oh my gosh. So again, powder, no powder. Love it! Ah, this is such a good product, I can't even handle it. And don't feel like you always have to swipe. I like to pounce my face as well. If you're someone that's always on the go and you have like no time to put on face makeup, but you want coverage, you need to try this out. I'm just gonna go in with the rest of the face products. I'm just gonna apply bronzer, blush, and highlight, and we will complete this look. The last thing I like to do, no matter what kind of foundation I'm using, is always set my face. This is the Believe Beauty Makeup Perfecting Setting Spray. I did a full review on this makeup line. If you haven't seen it, I will leave it in the screen and also in the description box down below. This smells so good, and this is such a good setting spray. It literally makes your makeup look like complete skin. I love it so much. And then I usually like to go in with any kind of sponge and just tap the setting spray into the skin. And then I just throw on this Buxom gloss in the shade Creamsicle. That completes my powder foundation routine. So pretty. I totally recommend checking out this powder. It is beautiful on the skin. I have a hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what kind of powder you use for your powder foundation routine. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I will talk to you guys later.